Lesson number 74 of the 100 series of jazz violin is going to be a short one, I think. I mentioned in one of the videos briefly rap music. I think rap music is bending song forms. I'm not sure if they follow any particular song form. It's more about the words and the rhythm. So if you've followed any of the stuff I've said or any of the things I've said in the past years, what's the number one most important thing in music? Come on now. What's the number one most important thing in music? What have I taught? Is it the notes? Nope. Is it the chords? Nope. Is it all the knowledge you know? Nope. Nobody cares about that. It's the rhythm. You can play the wrong notes at the right times, and people can still kind of figure out what song it is. I did a video on this earlier. And if you play all the... see the opposite of that. See, I'm having a brain fart. So if you play all the right notes with no regard to timing, you can't even tell what it is. So, rap music. What's the primary thing it's about? Rhythm. And the words. Lyrics. Lyrics are pretty important. Sometimes you can't even understand the lyrics, to be honest. But it's all about the rhythm. There might be a drum beat with a voice, and that's it. Now, a lot of jazz leaders go, oh, that's crap. Rap is crap. It's not music. It's not real music. I've heard a lot of people say that. I've heard country people say that. And yet, here we are with modern country, and people are kind of rapping through it. Charlie Daniels had a hit. The Devil Down in Georgia was a rap song, right? Now, he also played the fiddle. That's a cool thing, too. I've got lessons on that on my site, on the Fiddle Jam Institute site. So I'm not against rap. We need to adapt and be about it. And what is rap about? It's about rhythm, which is the most important thing in music. So how could it be bad? All right. Now, whether you like the subject matter is up to you to decide. That's your personal preference. But don't be against it because it doesn't have many chords, doesn't have many notes. It's all about rhythm, and you can represent that. Learn how to chop. We can do a thing on chopping. It's not really part of jazz, but learn how to chop and be about the rhythm. Or play more rhythmically. Just steal from the rappers who are popular now. Listen to rap music and chop and play along and jam along and do free jazz over the top of it and see what you might learn. Sometimes they have weird ways of these African influences. They stretch the beats and stuff. They're behind the beat or ahead of the beat, different things. You might learn something. So accept all forms of creativity. Don't be elitist. And don't disqualify anything. Find the basics of what's in it and how it can benefit you and influence you for greater good.